we'll guide you through how to download and get started with Zapier. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your web browser and navigate to the official Zapier website by typing zapier.com in the address bar. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice that Zapier is a cloud-based tool, which means there's no traditional software download required. Instead, you'll need to sign up for an account to start automating your workflows. To do this, click on the Sign Up button, which you can find in the top right corner of the page. You'll be prompted to enter your email address, or you can opt to sign up using your Google, Microsoft, or Facebook accounts for convenience. After entering your details, click on Get Started Free. Zapier will guide you through a brief setup process where it asks about your role and the types of apps you want to connect. This helps tailor your experience. Once you're done with the initial setup, you'll land on your Zapier dashboard. Here, you can explore creating zaps, which are automated workflows between different apps. To create a zap, click on the Create Zap button, usually located at the top of the dashboard. You'll be guided to select a trigger app, which is the app where the automation starts, and then an action app, where the automation completes the task. For example, you could set up a zap to automatically save Gmail attachments to your Dropbox. Simply follow the prompts to connect your apps and configure your zap. Remember, Zapier requires you to authorize access to the apps you want to integrate, so have your login details handy. That's all you need to do to get started with Zapier. No downloads necessary. It's all about setting up your automations directly from your browser. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.